Hello. Today we're going to talk about your clutter. And I want you to think about this inanimate object or objects in your home, your clutter, that make you feel unhappy, that make you feel negative about yourself. But at the same time, are you taking solace in those things? Are you thinking that they're making you safe? Are you wrapping yourself in all your stuff? You know, that is a false thing. These things cannot give you that feeling of security. Security comes when you know you can deliver, when you know your family can deliver, and that you know you've provided for your family a comfortable home that is streamlined, that things can be found when you're looking for them, and you have peace in your home. That's when you're going to have the true comfort of home. So the comforts of home aren't your clutter. Always remember that, and have a great day.